Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I wanted to show you this Hot Wheels premium car set of the Fast and Furious that I picked up at Walmart the other day. Now this set actually costs about $25 at Walmart, and it comes with 4 vehicles. Now these vehicles are from the Fast and the Furious 1, the original Fast and Furious movie. Now the only thing is the carry-on vehicle is actually not in the movie. You know, there was a truck in there, which was a Ford F-150 Lightning. And there is actually a Hot Wheels version of that. But you had to buy that retro, I think it was like about $5.50 for those style of vehicle. And it came into a single pack. And there's also a mainline F-150 Lightning that just came out. And I did a review about that one. But let's come back to this Fast and Furious vehicles. So there's Jesse's Volkswagen Jetta, and then we got Dom's Charger, and then we got Brian O'Connor's Supra. And it's in this kind of diorama with a city scene. It's pretty cool. I mean, when you look at it in the package, I really like that. And this is supposed to be kind of like the scene where, you know, Dom pops a wheelie, and I think they jump over the railroad tracks. And that's the race between them two. It's been a while since I've seen the first movie, but still a great movie. Let's see if we can look at the other sides of this package, which I think it's really awesome how they made it. Just says Fast and Furious on the side. And it shows you the vehicles that are in this box set, which is a 70 Dodge Charger RT, the Toyota Supra, the Volkswagen Jetta, and the carry-on. So all these vehicles are premium, which means they actually have rubber tires on each of the vehicles, even the carry-on. And then they did a little bit more detail on the paint and everything. But I really like the scene of this thing. I'm hesitant to open it, but I think what I will do is open it up and just kind of get you guys a closer look at the vehicles while they're in this kind of setting. Because I know they attach it to these box sets with like rubber bands. And I would hate to try to take them off and then I can't put them back in the same parts where they are. Because I just don't like the scene. Especially, you know, the Dodge Charger is like popped up like that. And it's held with the rubber bands and stuff. So I don't want to cut the rubber bands, and you know, even if I put it back in this box, it's just going to start rolling around. Unless you guys know how to attach it back. I don't know if you guys have any experience with that. I normally don't open many of my packages on my vehicles because I really like how they set it up, especially in this diorama style box set. It's a very cool scene for Fast and Furious. So I will open this up and let you guys kind of try to get the camera closer to the vehicles and let you guys see the details they did on these vehicles. So here is the 4-car set diorama out of this package, so to say, because I just left them like how they are. They're attached by little rubber bands, like I said earlier. So they don't move off where they are. I mean, there is a little bit of play with it, but you know, around the wheels is where they're attached. And let's see if we can take a look on the bottom. So you can see all these rubber bands, which is holding the vehicles, and it's taped up. So you got to remove all the tape, and that's how you would get to the vehicles. But I think I would still keep them like this is, because I just really like to look at it in this scene. I mean, look at this Jetta. It has wonderful graphics on the side. And let's see if we can get a look at the back of the vehicle without, you know, getting out of the way of the box. So there's some more detail on the back with some sponsors on the back. And even says Volkswagen. Like I said, it's real rubber tires. So this is kind of like a treasure hunt style vehicle with like wonderful paint job and attention to detail. But look at the front end. They even put a lot of detail to headlights and even the bumper lights and everything just has that detail to make it look really realistic to it. Let's see. You can even see there's a roll cage inside of this vehicle. Very cool. And then we got the carry-on vehicle that is basically a Hot Wheels version of a truck that they just put in a lot of their other kind of sets. But it's still a cool truck, and you actually can place a vehicle on the back of it and it should hold it, because you can even see the ramp here has like little stoppers for it, and it's pretty cool. And let's see, oh, there's some words right there. It says buy, sell, tune, and chop. Well, I don't know if you want to chop these vehicles, but you know, these are really cool vehicles. I do like the truck. It's very menacing too, because it looks very big and you don't want to be in its way. And then we got Dom's Charger at an angle right here. And you can see the chrome in there. Even the interior is all chrome, which is really unique. And then you got the blower supercharger thing on the top. It's all chrome too. Really great detail on that thing. Chrome wheels. I mean, it looks great. Can't really get behind it since the back of the package is in my way. But still, looking at this vehicle, it just stands out really well, and you can still see the rubber tires with the tread. So even has the RT symbol on the side of the door. Great detail on this thing. And then let's go to Brian's Supra, and you can see the graphics on the side and even on the hood and the headlights. Did a great job on that. And let's see, one thing in the movie, the wing was not orange. It was actually like a gray metal to it. So that's kind of a, you know, minus right there. It's not exactly like the vehicle in the movie, but it's close enough. I guess they just didn't have the time to make it a different color. And one thing I noticed, the tail actually has a little defect, but it comes to, you know, to that kind of style. If, you know, making vehicles, sometimes they'll have little defects and stuff, but a little bit of a crack there, or you know, some metal missing. But that's what happens when you make a lot of vehicles, and you're gonna have little mistakes or errors, but you can't really blame them. That's what happens in manufacturing. So, but the car still looks great overall, and the rubber tires on this is actually smooth compared to these, which has a tread to it. And I just really like this scene. I mean, when you look at this, it reminds you of the movie. I don't think they were racing down a street with palm trees. I forgot they were somewhere else. But, you know, the scenes here, they're just simulated, and it looks great. It looks realistic when you look at the photo, really up close and stuff. But what do you guys think of all these vehicles? I mean, there's 4 of them in this package, and they're $25. It's $25 for all this, so it's about a little over $6. So a little bit more than those retro ones that they sell for about $5.50 or $6 now at Target. But this is a great set to collect, because it's actually from the Fast and Furious and most of the original vehicles, especially like these two. The Jetta, it's fine too. I mean, it just depends on which vehicles you like from the movie. It would have been cool to have the RX-7 that Dom had, and also the Eclipse. Probably I would have liked those two instead of these 2 vehicles. But what do you guys think? Which of the vehicles did you like from the Fast and Furious? Do you like this set, or is there other vehicles from the Fast and Furious franchise that you like more? Please let me know below in the comments of what you guys think. And remember to like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.